shoot. Screen pull tab repair. These tabs are often misused and pull out of the frame easily. They're not intended to withstand force. Proper utilization is in gently handling the screen during installation or removal. To repair the pull tab, first pry out the bead which holds the screen into the frame. Make only enough room to get the tab back in place to avoid stretching the bead. Orient the pull tab so that the flat side faces the screen. Carefully pivot the tab and snap it into position. Push down on the bead so that it seats into the channel, holding the screen and pull tab in place. Prevention. To make sure this doesn't happen again, never pull up on the tabs from the bottom. Instead, make room for the screen by pushing the top of the frame up.